Hey there, kitchen creators and baking lovers. If you're someone who takes pride in homemade recipes or just loves making life easier in the kitchen, you're in the right place. Welcome back to Consumer Heaven, your trusted hub for honest, hands-on reviews of the latest home gadgets, tech essentials, and must-have tools that truly make a difference. Today, we're mixing things up, literally, with our list of the top 5 stand and hand mixers that bring serious power, precision, and performance to your countertop. Whether you're baking cookies, whipping cream, or kneading dense dough, we've found a mixer that fits your style, your budget, and your kitchen. Let's be honest, once you use a good stand mixer, you'll wonder how you ever baked without it. Whether you're an experienced baker or just starting out, the right mixer saves time, reduces effort, and delivers consistent, pro-level results every time. From powerful motors and generous bowl capacities to easy cleanup and sleek designs, these mixers are a smart investment, especially if you're ready to level up your baking game. As always, we've linked the latest and best Amazon deals for every model featured in this list. You'll find them in the description and pinned comment below. So if one catches your eye, just scroll down and check it out. Let's dive in. Number 5. KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer Ice Blue. First up is a hand mixer that's as stylish as it is efficient, the KitchenAid 5-Speed Ultra Power Hand Mixer in Ice Blue. This compact classic is a go-to for small kitchens and quick recipes. With 5 speeds, it gives you just enough range to handle everything from stirring chunky ingredients to whipping egg whites into stiff peaks. The lightweight design makes it easy to use without wrist fatigue, and the beaters eject with a simple push. It's incredibly user-friendly, sleek, and comes in several colors to match your kitchen aesthetic. It's perfect for those who don't need a bulky stand mixer but still want KitchenAid quality. If you're doing heavy-duty dough kneading, this won't cut it. Also, no storage case included for the attachments. Still, for everyday mixing tasks, it's a solid win. Number 4. KitchenAid Classic Series 4.5 Quart Stand Mixer, Onyx Black. Coming in next is a true KitchenAid staple, the Classic Series 4.5 Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer in sleek Onyx Black. If you've always wanted that iconic KitchenAid performance but didn't want to splurge on the Artisan model, this is the perfect middle ground. It features the same signature tilt head design for easy access to the mixing bowl and offers 10 speeds that let you handle everything from gently folding ingredients to whipping at high power. Whether you're making cookie dough, meringue, or cake batter, the performance here feels premium. What sets the Classic Series apart is its slightly smaller capacity and lower wattage compared to the Artisan. It comes with a 4.5 quart stainless steel mixing bowl, which is still generous enough for most households, and a motor that's powerful enough for typical home baking, but not quite as robust as the higher-end models. That said, for everyday use and even small batches of bread dough or cookies, this mixer holds up beautifully. Let's talk pros. You get all the functionality you expect from a KitchenAid mixer, but at a more wallet-friendly price. It's a fantastic option for beginner bakers, occasional users, or anyone who just doesn't need the bulk or price tag of the Artisan series. Plus, the design remains timeless: solid build, smooth finish, and easy operation. Now for the cons. The slightly smaller bowl means you might have to mix in batches if you're making large quantities. And while many of the classic KitchenAid attachments will still work with this model, some accessories designed for the Artisan or larger mixers may not be compatible, so you'll want to double-check before buying extras. Still, all things considered, the KitchenAid Classic Series delivers excellent value. It brings you the reliability of a trusted brand, all the core mixing features you need, and a clean, minimal footprint that works well in almost any kitchen. If you want to experience KitchenAid without going all in on cost, this model is a smart, solid pick. Number 3. Kitchen in the Box 3.2 Quart Stand Mixer, Blue. If you're short on counter space or simply want a compact, affordable stand mixer for your everyday cooking needs, the Kitchen in the Box 3.2 Quart Stand Mixer is a fantastic option. This little machine may be small in size, but it's big on function. It features 6 speed settings, giving you full control whether you're whipping cream, beating eggs, or gently mixing batter. It also comes with all the essential attachments: a whisk, dough hook, and flat beater, so you're ready to go right out of the box. One of its best features is its size. This stand mixer is incredibly lightweight and compact, making it ideal for people with limited kitchen space, like those living in dorms, apartments, or smaller homes. It also doesn't hurt that the design is stylish and comes in eye-catching colors like this soft pastel blue. It adds a cheerful pop to your countertop without taking over. Now let's talk performance. For light to medium tasks, this mixer is more than capable. It handles cake batter, pancake mix, and whipped cream with ease. However, it does have its limitations. If you plan to knead heavy doughs like bread or pizza on a regular basis, you may notice the motor struggling a bit. It's not as powerful or as durable as the high-end brands, and the plastic build means it won't last forever under constant strain. That said, for the price and convenience, it's a total steal. If you're a beginner baker, occasional cook, or just someone who needs a handy mixer for quick jobs, the Kitchen-in-the-Box 3.2 Quart is a charming little powerhouse that won't disappoint. Especially if you're not ready to invest hundreds into a mixer yet, this is a sweet, practical stepping stone. Number 2. KitchenAid Artisan 5-Quart Stand Mixer, Empire Red. Now let's step it up with one of the most iconic appliances in the kitchen world, the KitchenAid Artisan Tilt Head Stand Mixer in Empire Red. With a powerful motor, 10 speed settings, and a generous 5-quart stainless steel bowl, this beast can handle everything from a single batch of cookies to enough dough for 2 loaves of bread. The tilt head design makes swapping attachments easy, and speaking of attachments, you can upgrade this into a pasta maker, spiralizer, food grinder, and more. Durable build, tons of color options, tons of accessories, and it looks gorgeous on your counter. It's pricey. Also, it's heavy, so not ideal if you need to move it around often. But if you bake a lot, this is a long-term investment that pays off. Number 1. VivoHome 6-Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. Wrapping up the list is a powerhouse that brings serious value, the VivoHome 6-Quart Tilt Head Stand Mixer. If you're someone who bakes in large batches or cooks for a big family, this one's going to be your new best friend in the kitchen. With a robust 660-watt motor, this mixer delivers high-performance mixing power across 10 variable speeds. So whether you're whipping cream, kneading dough, or blending cake batter, you've got complete control. One of its standout features is the massive 6-quart stainless steel bowl, big enough to handle triple cookie batches or double loaves of bread without breaking a sweat. And it doesn't stop there. You get all the essential attachments, a dough hook, wire whip, flat beater, and even an egg separator, which isn't something you typically see included. It's versatile, efficient, and handles everything from everyday cooking to weekend baking marathons. As for pros, the capacity is a big win. It's built for volume, making it perfect for holiday prep, family gatherings, or weekly meal planning. Despite its power, the mixer stays surprisingly quiet while in use, which is a nice bonus for those early morning or late night kitchen sessions. Now the trade-offs. It is on the bulkier side, so if counter space is tight, this may need to live in a cabinet when not in use. Also, while the attachments get the job done, they don't quite match the premium feel of what you'd find in higher-end models like KitchenAid. But at this price point, that's an understandable compromise. All in all, the VivoHome Stand Mixer gives you pro-level capacity and power without draining your budget. An excellent pick for serious home bakers who want performance without the premium price tag. And that wraps up our list of the top 5 mixers that bring serious performance to your kitchen. Whether you're a weekend baker or an everyday chef, the right mixer can save you time, energy, and frustration while making your recipes taste even better. If one of these caught your eye, don't forget, all the best Amazon deals are waiting for you in the description and pinned comment below. Grab them before prices change or stock runs out. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Consumer Heaven, and tap the notification bell so you never miss our next deep dive review. Thanks for watching, and happy mixing!